Loobani sent us these dog paw and pad protectors for our review, and I am excited because Walter and I go on daily walks, and oftentimes it is so hot out, and we know that that is not good for their little pads. They do say, like, if it's too hot for us to be walking barefoot, it is too hot for them. So having something like this to protect them is going to be fantastic. So there is a little guide on the back that says, depending on their weight, what size you want to go for. And Walter is, yes, he's a Frenchie, but he is 42 pounds. So we went with the XL. And so this is just like a little sticker, really easy to put on and does not hurt at all. So it looks like a little like paw pad here. And I'm gonna try and do it. Sometimes it's hard to do by myself, but you just kind of take this and you want to line it up. I'm not actually looking. Hopefully I get it all. And then you just kind of put that on their little paw pad down there. So then when you're out walking, he is going to be protected. Of course, you're going to put him on all four. But as you can see here in the video, you know, he's walking around. It does kind of take him a second to get used to it. You know, they kind of do that funny thing where they're lifting up their legs. But I know that when he is wearing these, he's not going to be like burning or hurting the bottom of his paws. So if you are looking for something like this, highly recommend these ones by Loobani.